A man was walking by the elephants when he abruptly stopped, perplexed to see that the only thing holding these enormous animals together was a short rope fastened to their front leg. No cages or shackles. The elephants' ability to escape their chains was evident, but for whatever reason they chose not to. He saw a trainer nearby and asked why these animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. "Well," the trainer said, "when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them. And at that age, it's enough to hold them. As they grow up, they are conditioned to believe they cannot break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free." The man was amazed. These animals could at any time break free from their bonds, but because they believed they couldn't, they were stuck right where they were. Like the elephants, how many of us go through life hanging on to a belief that we cannot do something simply because we failed at it once before?